Hi all, welcome back to Tea and Style. We have Super George set in the collection. This is set purchase WhatsApp through purchase. First, we have a color shade pan design set. Top Rani pink orange color combination set. Top 2.5 meter 48-49 above length. Top in the front hand block print top and the mirror work attached. Top in the back hand roll print top Super Georgette fabric. Dupatta double side dupatta chiffon fabric. Chiffon hand block print mirror dupatta. Dupatta 2.5 meter. Bottom is the pure cotton hand roll print bottom. Price is 1700 with the free shipping. Next is the color shade. Mango and green color combination is the pan design set. Top in the front back hand roll print top is 2.5 meter. Dupatta is chiffon dupatta. Double shade is dupatta. Dupatta hand roll print dupatta. Price is 1700 with the free shipping. Next is the V-neck pattern set. Purple and green color combination set. V-neck pattern full hand block print mirror V-neck full highlight mirror top in the back hand block print top 40-49 above length top Dupatta is chiffon special weaving pattern dupatta full mirror work dupatta bottom is pure cotton hand roll print bottom. Price is 1700 with the free shipping. Next is the color shade. Yoke pattern is set. Hand roll print mirror set. Top is the Rani pink violet color combination. Top in the back same hand roll print. Dupatta is chiffon mirror work hand roll print dupatta. Dupatta lengthy dupatta. Bottom is the pure cotton hand block print bottom. Price is 1700 with the free shipping. Next is the color shade. Lemon yellow rose color combination with the hand block print. Top in the back same hand block print. Dupatta is chiffon dupatta hand block print mirror dupatta. Pink and green color combination with dupatta. Bottom is the pure cotton hand block print bottom. Price is 1700 with the free shipping. This set is Super Georgette set. Party wear function wear use set. Set purchase WhatsApp through purchase. YouTube video like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.